Hello mamas and welcome to Miss Stormy's channel. Today we are going to be showing you a very easy and cute hairstyle to do for your little girls. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for our many of hair updates. This is the first of many, and also be sure to watch till the end and you will see how I started this style from start to finish. So let's get started. I love doing Stormy's hair right after a wash. I shampoo, condition, and then I'll use some Honey Baby Honey Shea Butter Hair Smoothie. I'll drop that down in the description so you can see what products I do use for her hair. No, this is not a sponsored video, but I do love to share what I use and what works for her. So first, after we part that middle part, we're going to start parting the sides. Got to make sure those lines are straight. So you'll probably see me go over it a few times just to make sure I straighten those lines and then brush your hair out. Now, I love to use that styling custard. It's Cantu Care for Kids. We'll also drop that in the description. You know, as kids, they love to roll around in everything. So that just helps keep her hair in the ponytails for a few days longer. So as you'll see, I am doing the 3 parts on one side. I like to do it one side at a time and then replicate it on the other side. And then as I'm doing those parts, I do like to brush her hair out. As I'm brushing her hair out, once I get to the braiding portion, it's just gonna make it really easy. Her hair stretches really great once it's brushed out. If I don't brush it out, it's super curly and super kinky and it's kind of hard to kind of get the full length. So brushing really works. Now you'll notice that I am using 2 different brushes, one to really get through her hair, the other one to get her edges. My daughter has really nice but curly hair, so 2 brushes has to do the job. And now I'm going to the other side. Also, a pro tip that I've learned, make sure you have those snacks on deck. My daughter is only 2 years old, but she really doesn't like to stay still like that, so I always make sure I have some juice, water, and her favorite snacks, her favorite shows, so that I can keep her settled while I am in her head. Alright, we got baby girl fully parted. Make sure you smile for the camera, sis. Smile for the camera. Alright, so now I am about to start braiding down her hair within the ponytails. It's easier and kind of lasts longer if I do braids over twists. Sometimes I do twist it, and I can suggest doing twists if you're not a pro braider. I'm definitely not a pro braider, but braiding just makes it look a little bit more cleaner in the long run. So that's a tip. And also you can use beads if you don't have barrettes. Beads make it dangle and they're cute, so beads or barrettes on this part. And for this particular style, I'm actually skipping the middle balls. So I'm gonna leave those puffy and I'm gonna do the braids straight in the back and then copy it on the other side. going to just speed this side up because we've already shown you how to do this on the right side. So I'm just doing the same thing on the left side. I'm just starting from the back because I'm already back here. And yeah, it's gonna turn out super cute once it's all said and done. And there you have it. Baby girl is ready to show the world her pearls as well as her pretty little hairstyle. Super easy. It took me about 30 minutes tops to do this style. Super cute and an easy beginner style, especially if you are not a professional hair braider or styler like myself. So thanks so much for taking the time to watch our hairstyle today. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We will be back for more and definitely more tutorials. Thank you, mamas.